Staying up tall. Notice it didn't do that before. This is a break of the way it's set up. This is bullish. Before, it just kept going here, 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 here. Broke. Engulfing candle. Everybody see this candle? That is a bullish engulfing candle. You see it? Yes? Now, here's what's nice about this trade. If I was in this trade, my stops are here because this is either going to super pop here or drop. Am I right? So now I can have a real tight stop on this move. So this is your tiny risk versus monster reward. And there it goes. Now remember, since this is now new highs, we're looking at 1042 right here. This 1042.60 is where I hit before. This is going to be the next level.
And that's a quadruple top, right, Coach?
That's correct. Yep.
Oh.
Yep. And remember the rule, the more times it touches, eventually it's going to want to break through, right?
Yes, sir.
That's 1, 2, 3, 4. That was the 5th time it touched. And right here is where you got to be careful. This is the danger zone. It already touched it. And you saw the seller, so be very cautious up here. Move your stops up. If you bought anywhere in here, move your stops up. This is either going to break through and just go absolutely crazy, or this is where all the sellers are going to kick in and sink this battleship. So right here is your new trading channel. We need it to stay above here. This will be green. This will be red. If it stays above bullish, if it drops right here, lights out. Make sense?